Hi, I'm Brandon Hendricks, and I'm the project manager of EzCamp.
Hi, I'm Sean Filer, asset manager for Team EzCamp.
Hello, I'm Arath, and I'm the programmer for EzCamp.
Hi, my name is Eric Courtney. I'm the assistant project manager. Have you ever been camping, had plans fall through and to reschedule, or even had to research hours just to find one camp? Well, with our product, EzCamp, we want to prevent situations like this from happening and make sure that our users spend less time planning and researching and more time camping, essentially making camping easy.
A lot of campers have trouble finding camps. Sometimes it can take hours of research to find the right one, or maybe planning is the issue. What our solution is to create an app that can help campers find the perfect campsite within minutes of opening our app. EzCamp starts with you logging in and completing a simple questionnaire. The questions are easy and simple and consist of questions that will assist you in finding the perfect camp. After completing the questions, you'll be greeted with the most recommended camps and a map of nearby camps that fit your preferences. Before we go into our documentation, I would like to go into why this is important to the market. Starting with our customer surveys. Taking a glance, a lot of people have trouble finding a camp, and even more people would like to find the perfect campsite for them. After looking at the surveys, we saw that we were going in the right direction. But we also decided that other common issues may be able to be included in our app, such as weather and planning. For EzCamp, giving our customer base a good user experience is part of our goal, so planning out our use cases and use stories is important. We have a few different pathways the user could take here. What we have listed right now is what we want to finish for the base prototype. But giving a good user experience also requires a good UI. We'll have Sean go a little bit more into this.
Thank you, Brandon. To make our UI simple and easy to navigate, we decided to use contrasting colors, that being salmon pink and navy blue. But we also didn't want to overload the user with a lot of different questions and text. But instead, short summaries, questions that are easy to follow, along with the simple scheme we needed to have consistency with our UI. Doing this will help users remember the layout and placement of different areas of the app. In the process of this, we wanted to slowly make our UI compliant to all users such as people with dyslexia, anxiety, and more.
This is our architecture document for our app. We are using Android Studio and using Java to code. In the future, we hope to add EzCamp to iOS, but for initial release, we will use Android.
Our business requirements are organized in 3 different categories: requirements that are seen and used by the user, security, and an admin panel. What we have displayed right now is the requirements that are used by the user, or even front-end coding. We have begun working on some of these requirements as they are the main features of our app. On the security end, we have decided to use Google Login. So most of the security is handled by Google, which relieves some stress on our end, and gives us more time to refine other parts of our app. Our project plan is also directly affected by our business requirements. But what we have shown right now was our timeline for the documentation. We wanted to finish all our documentation a few days before we started our product submission, to give us time to refine and rework some of our documentation. But on November 21st, we finalized all documentation and begun working on our product pitch. We've gone into marketing points, but how are we going to market this? Well, we have 2 different strategies, both targeted for 2 different audiences. Niche marketing will target more veteran campers. We'll advertise more specified features such as questions for camping locations and filters. But our social media marketing plan will try and grab new campers into the community. Over the course of NGT, we've had multiple issues, ranging from communication to finding the perfect problem statement. But we made sure that none of these issues got out of hand. One problem was communication. Our assistant manager goes to a different school, and their team members have almost no classes together. So all our communication had to be done outside of school. Our solution to this was to have daily meetings or calls to discuss progress of what we need to do. A lot of other challenges we encounter also faded with this solution, such as time management. Along with all of our challenges, we had a lot of success. Some of these being our login menu or documentation, but we also had customer surveys, which helped tremendously. We were able to add features, add minor changes to the problem statement, and be able to verify our product's marketing points. At the end, we had over 70 people take the survey and even had 4 one-on-one interviews. Thank you for taking time out of your day. Making this product has been extremely fun and exciting. And remember, camping made easy.